Newswade fans, nice to see your awesomeness. Have you ever seen a shadow without an object? Sounds impossible, right? Well, scientists have done something that seems to break the rules of light itself. They've made laser beams cast shadows. I'm Newswade, and today we're going to explore this mind-bending discovery that's changing what we know about light. Let's dive into the science that's making the impossible possible. First, let's understand what makes this discovery so special. Normally, when you see shadow, it's because something solid is blocking light. Think about your own shadow on a sunny day. Your body stops the sunlight from reaching the ground. But what if I told you scientists found a way to make light itself cast a shadow? Here's how they did it. They started with two main ingredients, a green laser and a special crystal called ruby. Ruby crystals aren't just pretty gems, they contain tiny particles called chromium atoms. These chromium atoms are the real stars of the show. Again, let me break down the experiment. Scientists shine a green laser through the ruby crystal. At the same time, they shine blue light around it. Something amazing happens. The green laser creates a visible shadow in the blue light. But why does this work? Usually light beams pass right through each other like two flashlight beams crossing in the dark. The ruby crystal changes this completely. When the green laser hits the crystal, it changes how the crystal absorbs the blue light. Scientists call this reverse saturation absorption. But think of it like the crystal becoming a tiny light blocker. Now, let's talk about what this means for the future. Imagine doctors using this technology to get clearer medical images. Picture architects creating perfect 3D maps of buildings. Think about computers that use light instead of electricity to process information. Here's where it gets really exciting. This discovery could help make better computer screens. It might improve solar panels. It could even make 3D printing more precise. But let's be realistic about the timeline. These changes won't happen overnight. Scientists estimate it might take 5 to 10 years before we see the first real-world uses. Some applications might take even longer to develop. Let me share an example of how this might affect your daily life. Picture windows that automatically adjust their darkness based on sunlight. Or imagine printers that use laser shadows to create incredibly detailed patterns. These aren't science fiction anymore. They're real possibilities. The best part? This is just the beginning. Scientists are still finding new ways to use this discovery. Every experiment brings us closer to turning these ideas into reality. Before we wrap up, let's remember why this matters. This discovery shows us that even basic things like light can surprise us. Science keeps pushing boundaries and finding new possibilities. If you found this video interesting, please hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What would you do with laser shadows? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing science discoveries. Until next time, check out more at newswade.com.